Hello, everyone. I am Naeem Shirazi, Director of Admission Consulting at Education Solution, your mentor to excellence. Today, we will be looking into the qualities that you need to showcase in your Ivy Leagues and top US universities application to stand out. The personal qualities which makes you stand out are leadership, intellectual curiosity, creativity, initiative, and personal qualities. Positive person qualities, for example, self-awareness, willingness to grow, looking for the challenges, overcoming the barriers, creative, thinking and problem solving, social awareness, consideration of others, kindness, service oriented, committed, and passionate. So these are the positive qualities that you need to showcase in your college applications, which makes you stand out. If you need a further information where to showcase these positive qualities and which section is required, which quality, please contact Education Solutions or dial 0321-410-1418 to book a free counseling session. Stay blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.